Hello friends, hope you're doing well. If you are facing this kind of error preparing automatic repair, or you are unable to start your system and getting this kind of black window diagnosing your PC, in this video we are going to fix this issue with a simple working method. When you see this kind of blue screen automatic repair, click on advanced option, then click on troubleshoot, then click on advanced option, then click on command prompt. Now select or click on your login username, then enter your login username password if you are using any password, otherwise keep it blank and then click on continue. So this is the command prompt. Now you have to type a command to repair your Windows corrupted files. So the command will be sfc space / scan now, press enter. And this process will take around 3 to 5 minutes. As you can see, the verification process already started. Wait for a few minutes. Verification process completed 100%. Now type the next command chkdsk space /f space /r. So this command will repair if you have any error in your hard drive. Press enter. If you get any kind of error while running this command, you can try the another command, which will be chkdsk. That's it, chkdsk, then press enter. And as you can see, the process has been completed. Now type exit, press enter. That's it. After that, click on continue. And you can see the issue has been resolved.